Is the Bharti AXA Life InstaGain plan truly a smart way to gain returns quickly or just a short term savings gimmick with limited long term benefit? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non linked, non participating individual life insurance savings plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance protection to financially secure your family throughout the policy term. It offers assured benefits in the form of guaranteed yearly income, guaranteed income, and loyalty income to help you meet your financial goals, and also provides an upfront payout of up to 50% of the annual premium at the time of policy issuance, and allows you to receive 100% or 150% of the total premiums paid based on the chosen variant as a lump sum to enhance overall returns. So it enables you to customize premium payment terms, income duration, and death benefit multiple according to your needs and preferences. So there are some benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, maturity benefit, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So some of the advantages are: you can avail a loan of up to 70% of the policy surrender value, which is subject to applicable terms and conditions. And in the event of the life assured's death, all survival and maturity benefits will continue to be paid to the nominee as scheduled, while future premiums are fully waived. And it provides the option to receive the present value of all future benefits at any time during the income period, and an inbuilt wallet that allows you to accumulate guaranteed yearly income during the policy term. And enhanced protection can be added through optional riders by paying an additional premium as well. So it is also eligible for tax benefits. These are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, like the policy term is locked at 15 years, limiting flexibility to align the plan with changing financial goals. The sum assured is relatively low, resulting in limited life insurance protection, and periodic survival benefits may lead to discretionary spending rather than disciplined long term investing. And life insurance coverage does not continue throughout the income payout phase, and reducing protection when it might still be required. So yearly income payouts dilute the power of compounding, potentially lowering overall returns. So these are some of the disadvantages that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where you are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for calculation purpose, let us consider that a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs. The policy term is fixed at 15 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh. The income payout period extends for 30 years. So this policyholder has selected variant 1, which offers 100% of return of premium as a maturity benefit. So let us take a look at the benefit structure. So InstaGain income is a one-time payout of 50,000 rupees, which is payable in advance in the first policy year, and guaranteed yearly income is 38,950 rupees per year, payable in arrears from the second policy year until the end of the policy term, which is the 15th year. And guaranteed income and loyalty income gives annual payouts of 29,214 and 9,736 rupees respectively, which is payable in arrears from the end of the policy term until the conclusion of the income period. So maturity benefit is a guaranteed lump sum of 10 lakhs, which is 100% ROP under variant 1, payable along with the final income installment. So based on all these cash flows, the IRR of this plan is approximately 5.05% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So despite its guaranteed nature, the policy suffers from several significant limitations. The returns are extremely low, making the plan unsuitable for long-term wealth creation. The extended lock-in period effectively ties up the investor's capital until the end of the income period, which spans 30 years. And moreover, the sum assured is relatively modest and does not continue during the income period, leaving the family with inadequate financial protection in the event of unforeseen circumstances. So overall, this policy falls short on both investment efficiency and insurance adequacy. With limited flexibility, insufficient life cover, and subpar returns, it does not align well with long-term financial planning objectives. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment, we are going to separately invest in it to see whether that can give us much more efficient returns. So here for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs, which costs us approximately 6,200 rupees per year for a 15-year term with premiums payable for 10 years. This results in an annual surplus of 93,800 rupees available for investment over the same 10-year period. This surplus is invested in an equity mutual fund with systematic withdrawal structure to replicate the survival benefits offered by the policy. At the end of the 10th year investment phase, the remaining units are redeemed and reinvested in a fixed income instrument yielding 7% per annum. So, capital gains tax is considered only at the final redemption after factoring in the annual long term capital gains exemption of 1.25 lakhs. So, this approach provides regular withdrawals similar to the InstaGain plan while maintaining greater control over the investment corpus. The strategy delivers an estimated IRR of 7.66% and a maturity value of approximately 64 lakhs, which is nearly 6 times the return of premium offered by the Bharti policy. In addition to superior returns, the structure offers meaningful flexibility, allowing withdrawals to be aligned with actual financial needs, unlike the fixed and rigid payout schedule of the insurance plan. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bharti AXA Life InstaGain plan worth it or not? So, this policy combines survival benefits, installment based maturity payouts, and life insurance coverage. The survival benefits begin from the first policy year and include guaranteed income along with loyalty income. Additionally, the plan promises a return of premium at the end of the income period. The combination of features may appear appealing at first glance. However, in substance, the plan resembles a traditional money back policy, offering below average returns and a relatively low sum assured. The investment component is ineffective in creating long term wealth, making it unsuitable for achieving meaningful financial goals, and it also has a high agent commission. Further, the life cover is limited and does not extend through the income period, resulting in inadequate financial protection when it may still be required. Overall, the plan does not merit a place in a well constructed portfolio. A pure term life insurance policy, in contrast, provides substantially higher coverage at a much lower cost, ensuring meaningful financial security for your family. So, when combined with a thoughtfully diversified investment portfolio aligned to your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance, it offers a far more efficient path to wealth creation. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.